converting your drawing into PDF, and then from PDF convert to DWG format. Today I'm going to show you how to convert your DWG or export your DWG to PDF file, and also just wanted to share with you on if you receive a PDF file, how do you convert back into a DWG format. Just for some understanding is if the PDF file is actually plotted or exported from a CAD solution application like AutoCAD, Project CAD or any other CAD solutions and then convert to PDF, you might be able to convert this PDF back to DWG format and edit according to the objects. And also wanted to share with you is if this PDF consists of only JPEG images, the converted file back to DWG will be in JPEG images as well, and it will not be in a form of objects, lines, circle, etc. This is because the data that has been converted or exported to PDF is in a form of image file rather than individual layer or object data. This is to show you an example of how converted files to PDF and PDF back to DWG and what are the data or object that has been imported back into the DWG, so that you will understand how and what is going to happen to your PDF to DWG conversion. Here's what we do. We click plot or print, or you can type in the keyboard plot or print. So let's say in the menu will be plot. So we plot this and then we select this called Project CAD PDF printer, and then of course your print style table, we have selected this AutoCAD colors because the layers are all in colors, and then it will be a format of A3 size, fit to paper. You can also put it as to scale, and then Windows the selection, preview, so you can preview what you have exported to PDF. Everything okay, then you start to print. Once you have plotted out, then you will pop up a dialog box asking whether do you want to show the created file. So for the sake of this demo, we'll put it as yes. We'll click yes. Under the preview, you will be able to see from or read from PDF Reader. These are the information that is exported to PDF format. We shall close this. And now say for example you receive this PDF file from your customer or your consultant. So what do you do next is you go under menu add-on and then convert PDF to DWG icon, or you should be able to see from the top menu convert PDF to DWG and click on the menu itself. So from here you will see the source file, and it will also show you the destination where you want to put the DWG. White fields is to maintain the filling if there are hatches. If not, you can actually erase the filling. So we will maintain the filling. Import layers by layers. So bear in mind, if this PDF file is actually exported from any CAD solutions and it is not an image file or anything, you can actually put by layer. It should go back to by layer when after you have imported or convert PDF to the DWG format. So minimum line width, you just put F0 default. So if you have image file that you want to ignore, you can actually ignore the image objects. But for this purpose, we shall maintain it. So now we look at the source. This now where we export the PDF. We will click the PDF file also. We will pick up that PDF file. Give it a bit of time. So then they will pop up a message. The PDF file has been converted. The corresponding DWG was created in the same folder as the source file or where it was specified, and it will open now. So you click OK to open the DWG file. Give it a minute and it's done. So you can see the difference. There are slight differences which I would like to highlight here. First, as I say, if this is an image file, the converted DWG will be an image file as well. Second, the font may not be converted accordingly. So this font will be replaced with the standard font type. Just bear in mind, certain fonts are not converted accordingly and you will be replaced with the standard font, which is available in Project CAD. Zooming in, most of the objects and layers will be broken down. So this is a polyline, but got converted will be broken down as shown here. But you are able to have the full drawings. The only thing is you might need to touch up here and there for this converted from PDF to DWG format. Okay, this is what I want to share and highlight to you. So in case you import from PDF to DWG and you found that the whole drawing is actually an image file, do remember to ask your customer or your consultant to directly plot from DWG to PDF when they export it to PDF file, so that it will maintain as objects, lines, circle, and maintain the layer as well, the color and layers as well. And of course, that color and layer is actually depending on your plot style. If the plot style is converted to monochrome, everything that you see from this converted DWG will be in black, monochrome color rather than colored. Hope this will help you. Thank you for watching. Bye.